So one of my friends called me recently that, oh, you need to be monetized. You're on YouTube for about 6 months now, 4 months now. I know you've got some subscribers. You need to be monetized. How are you not monetizing yet and all that? I kept quiet for some time before I be able to give him the best response I think of. Because he thought it's easy. He thought you can make $1,000 on YouTube when you post 20, 30 or 50 videos. It doesn't work that way. The work that is put in, because it's a business, if you're actually setting up a YouTube as a business and you are creating the content on how to and style or educational content, it is hard, because one of the things you will learn is that as you are teaching, you are learning. So as you are applying what you consume, you are educating it to people, you are also consuming. So I was consuming knowledge, I was applying it on my own channel, I was educating people, I was learning negotiation, sales, psychology of sales and marketing. I was learning all these things. I'm still in the very early age of YouTube. So I gave the guy, say, guy, it's just consistent, persistence and hard work. I'm still adding values. And you know what? I don't care if I get 1 views, 0 views or 10 million views. I love to talk about a subject I'm talking about. I will learn to become a guru or a professional in this particular financial field. I will learn everything about finance, personal finance, cryptocurrency, fund, bond, stocks, how they work, how a very no brain beginner, new big beginner can implement this thing. I will do that. I will make you guys know that personal finance is easy and it's achievable. You can be rich in your field of endeavor by managing your money, by investing in the right platform. That is what I'm here for. I don't care how long it takes, but to be on this YouTube. Persistence, hard work and being consistent is what I'm working on now. Nothing. And I'm working on a long time, not on a short time. I gave him the best response. I don't speak to him again. He was asking me this and that. I kept quiet because I'm still putting the work and I don't have the time to talk about small talks. Everything that I don't involve about investing, entrepreneurship, business, opportunity, I'm not talking about it. If you want to talk about me now, just come with these subjects. Sales and marketing, negotiation, books that can help my life to grow. We are in business. I think you should do that also. I think you should start now. Watch this video here. Guys, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.